It's so busy in Chard. It just keeps getting busier and busier every day. I just really wish that things could slow down. Oh, I just need a break. Maybe I'll try a different pathway today. Well, it seems really peaceful this way. This is a nice change from the busy route of town.
Hiya.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm alright, thank you.
Yeah.
It's lovely here.
Yeah, Great Mead's beautiful, isn't it? Just so peaceful and relaxing. You would never think it's so close to the town centre, would you? Just the birds, the sound of the birds, the trees. It's just so peaceful for the soul, isn't it?
I find it kind of hard to slow down in this busy, chaotic world, but Great Mead is kind of an antidote to the chaos. It's kind of a place for groups and individuals to come and focus on their well-being, whether that kind of means taking a walk, kind of meeting your friends and having a chat, just listening to the birdsong can be really nice. Whatever your well-being kind of means to you, Great Mead is that's what it's there for.
Hello.
Hi.
There's a lot coming up in the future for this space, but of course nature will remain in the centre. Any trees that are cut down for development will remain here and be used for future projects.
I've been all over this beautiful garden and I've heard so many wonderful stories. Is there anything else you can tell me?
Well, it's this wonderful space right in the centre of our lovely town for people to come and enjoy. For individuals, for groups, people of all ages, and so many people have come together through this space. I'm really looking forward to see what happens in the future.
Hi.
Hi. Do you know what's so special about a place like this is how it brings people together. You know, a place where people from all walks of life can come and share experiences, learn new skills and just kind of enjoy hanging out together. Oh look, here come the others. Hi. Come and join
Come and join us!